Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Sama Mahmood from BS English and student of the Lahore Leeds University. Today I am going to talk about Moth Smoke novel which is written by Mohsin Hamid. And first of all we discuss the Mohsin Hamid. Mohsin Hamid is a Pakistani British writer. He born in 23rd July 1971 in Lahore, Pakistan. He has Pakistani and British nationality. His father was also a professor in US University and he was student of Princeton University and Harvard Law School. And there are 4 books included in his great work. Mothsmoke, his first novel, it is written in 2000s, and The Reluctant Fundamentalist, How to Get Filthy Rich, and last one is Exit West. Exit West was shortlisted for Man Booker Prize. Mothsmoke, I have his I have read his 2 books, The Reluctant Fundamentalist and second I have recently completed Mothsmoke. Both books are very interesting to read. So now I will start my presentation and further discussion from introduction. The important point is settings of the novel. Mothsmoke sets in summer 1998 in Lahore, Pakistan. And if we see that history, it was time when Pakistan was testing his nuclear weapons against India. Now I am describing the character list of Mothsmoke novel. There are some major or minor characters in novel. Daru Shikku, it is first character and he is protagonist of the novel, and he belongs to middle class. Aurangzeb, friend of Ozzy. Mumtaz, wife of Ozzy and lover of Daru. Murad Badshah, rickshaw driver. And Uncle Khurram, he was father of Ozzy. And Dilaram, she was a Kocha woman and represents social injustice. Mozim, son of Mumtaz and Ozzy. Malik Jawan, landlord, represents feudalism in Pakistani society. Dara Shiku, he is protagonist of Mothsmoke. He belongs to middle class and represents a lawyer man, deprived and often he works in a bank, and he falls in love with his friend's wife Ozzy. He becomes drugs addict and drugs dealer. Uh, in spite of he was competent in sports and study. Second character Aurangzeb. He is friend of Daru and belongs to elite class. He born with fortune favor and he has a wealthy father. He got scholarship and went to abroad for higher studies, and he believes in power of money. When he come back to Pakistan, he already married in abroad with Mumtaz. Mumtaz is a female character and she is symbol of westernized women in Pakistan, wife of Ozzy, and she love affair with Daru. She leads a secret life as a Zulfikar Manto. She has a son Mozam and she also lost his family. Murad Badshah. Murad Badshah an important character in Mothsmoke and he play an important role in Daru's life also, because he is a MA pass but he was jobless and he become a rickshaw driver, and to fulfill his uh, necessities he become a corrupt person and drugs dealer also. Now we will discuss the narrative techniques of the moth smoke. Narrative techniques are the methods which a writer use to tell their story when analyzing novel. Moth smoke deals with the problems of corruption, poverty, social discrimination, terrorism, falling economy, and issues of youth. And here Mohsin Hamid personify all these issues in three various characters of the novel, which are Mumtaz, Daru, and Ozzy. Each character is symbolically shows of the factual issues of their nation. And so what happened at the end of the novel is that the reader is not find any character is voice in the novel, that is because and there is a different thing in the novel is that every character have their own significance and value in the story. Then we will see the moth smoke summary. uh, Briefly, Daru is in the prison for the crime of never committed. We will see when novel opened Daru in the prison and he got a letter from a man, and Daru was facing punishment from Ozzy's crime, murder of an innocent boy. Hit actually Ozzy hit a boy with his car and he ran away, but Daru uh, brought that boy to hospital, and unfortunately he died. And he police arrested Daru in this case. Here it shows our poor legal system. And second and story is story story described further with the visit of two old friends. Here, when Ozzy come back to Pakistan, Daru went to meet his friend Ozzy, but when he see his beautiful wife and his money, his success, he become jealous with his friend. And after that, Daru's job, Daru was fired from his job because of his aggressive behavior with the customer. After losing his job, Daru and Murad involved in drugs dealing. Actually, Daru and Murad was also a addict of same issue. He is also they both are unemployment. And robbery. Daru and Ozzy robbed in a boutique, and during robbing, Daru murdered a guard of the boutique. They become drugs addiction, and even the connection of AC of Daru is cut off, and he is leading a dark life. And after it, Ozzy arranged a party, but Daru is not invited in his. So Daru feel that things it is due to his poverty and his joblessness. And at the next day, Daru robbed in the same bank where he did job. Ozzy and Mumtaz break up. At the last chapters of the book, we see that Ozzy and Mumtaz realize that they both are not compatible for each other. Therefore, they decided to separate from each other. And next, Zulfikar Manto is a dual character. Actually, Mumtaz leads Zulfikar Manto's role, and he investigate the case of Daru, and she is the lady who took the Dilaram interview who is Dilaram actually represents a social injustice. When Daru come back from prison, he received his share from Murad Badshah, and here Murad Badshah show his sincerity to Daru. And my second important discussion point is title justification. Most important justification for the title is the relationship between moth and smoke. In the perspective way of burning candle, moth represents Daru and smoke is represents Ozi. And here is a common factor which is representing by Mumtaz as a burning candle. And now we will discuss the major theme of the moth smoke. Here, crime and punishment is main and important theme of the moth smoke. Yeah, if we see in the novel, almost all the characters represents criminal in their own way. So, and this theme carries several serious causes behind it, which leads serious causes and serious causes and reason of criminal activities. For instance, victim of unemployment, having all the higher education, they were jobless and fill their lives with basic needs, they lead to criminal activities. And here we can say that they committed such a crime which they do not actually want to do. So, for example, when Daru murdered a guard of boutique, it was not his intentionally murder. And second reason of crime is deprivation of life needs. Due to poor legal system, Shahzad was terminated from job, and that's why he went to this criminal life. And other thing, traffic officer let him go after taking uh, some rupees him. And Dilaram was silent due to poor legal system. Nobody helped him against landlord. And the important reason of crime is lack of faith in Allah. Actually, Shahzad, Ozi, and Mumtaz want to money by hook and by crook. They did not know. They did not even think about the way of his money's getting. So they should have faith on Allah, but they have not. Even they were Muslims. And the other psychological issues, mental depression, is also causes of crime punishment. And inferiority complex, because Daru always think to get all of the luxuries which have his friend Ozi. In spite of he was jobless, he want to get all of the luxuries of life. And Daru actually thinks that people can't live happy without money. And social injustice also a major theme of Mothsmoke. Mohsin Hamid portrayed his social injustice in different ways. Shahzad terminated from his job unjustly, and he didn't think for getting his job again. And Murad Basha and Daru become drugs dealer and addict also. And Dilaram committed crime of sex and uh, pregnant by a landlord, but society did not help her. Dilaram was helpless. Dilaram was helpless due to social injustice. These were the major theme of the Moth Smoke. And Here, Moth is also the theme of uh, Moth novel. Here, Mohsin Hamid used symbol of moths as many places in novel. Actually, moth symbolized Daru because moth is a insect which revolves around the burning candle or light, and he lost his life in this process. And similarly, daru want to all these luxuries which actually he have want, but he want to get these things. And he act as a moth by loving Mumtaz, and at the end Mumtaz also uh, become a burning candle. Smoke hides reality and shows desire of death. Love's triangle between Mumtaz, Daru, and Ozzy. Here, Moth Smoke novel also related with the novel's main characters, Mumtaz, Ozzy, and Daru, because Moth is represents Mumtaz and Daru represents smoke, and Mumtaz represents smoke. Minor characters. Passion. There are various and many theme in novel. For example, passion. The theme represents Daru and Mumtaz love, affection. Jealousy. uh, Jealousy theme actually represents with the main character Daru. Daru's character a jealous character because he felt jealousy with his rich friend Ozzy, and Ozzy's beautiful wife and his big house, his Pajaro, his air conditioner, because air conditioner is used here with the to show huge class differences, because air conditioner is a facility which middle class cannot afford it, but elite class afford it easily. Class differences. Daru belong to middle class and Ozzy belong to elite class. Here they both characters represents class differences. Elite class has power of money, and Daru deprived of basic necessities of life, and he has not all the luxuries of like his friend Ozzy. And here Mohsin Hamid symbolized these class differences with specific words like Pajaro, air conditioner, big house, and good job. Desire of power and desire of money. Here we see that the person who have not money, who belong to poor class, he want to money, but that person who belong to elite class, that is also want to more money, and it is shows desire of money. Lusty relationship. Lusty relationship shows with the character of Daru and Mumtaz. Actually, Daru is a greedy type of person. Ozzy is also greedy because having a well paid job, deals in drugs to gain more money. Murad Basha also greedy, drives a rickshaw, but also deals in drugs. They all are want to get more and more money. And lusty relationship shows with the relationship between Daru and Mumtaz. Adultery. Mumtaz and Daru belongs to adultery, a theme. His love affair and illicit relationship shows adultery. Daru sells drugs to youngsters. Lack of faith. And here is another minor theme of lack of faith, because Shahzad, Ozzy, Mumtaz, and Murad lost faith in Allah. Actually, they were Muslim, but they have no faith, and that's why going to they were going to criminal life. Revenge. And the last minor theme of the novel is revenge. Actually, revenge theory is also depicted in this novel. Uh, Ozzy wants Ozzy wants to take revenge from Mumtaz due to his uh, disloyalty, and Daru takes revenge from Ozzy because Daru always shows his aggressive behavior toward Ozzy, and Ozzy also takes revenge from Daru because Daru is a person who break his family. That's why they all they all want to take revenge from each other. And these are all from my side. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.